Back when the Freewheeler first came out, no one really was doing anything with them because they're kind of expensive since it's a trike kit. So you didn't see a lot of dealerships putting exhaust systems on it. They all kept them stock. This is just your stock Freewheeler. This one's 2018. They came out in 2014. Reminded every one of the delivery bikes that Harley used to have back in the day. You got this little trunk space. This was always nice. Store your goodies. They have the oh shit handles for your passenger. But times are changing. Ralph is decided to invest in one and make this really badass Freewheeler. So you go from this to this. I mean, just look at the difference. So what all have we done over here? Well, most obvious thing is the aftermarket fairing. It's a Batwing fairing. It does move with the handlebars. Blacked out engine completely. 16-inch handlebars. Grips. I believe these are Cobras. Your lowers are blacked out. Wheels blacked out. Just look at this profile compared to this profile. That gets loud. So we're gonna go take it out for a ride and see how it feels. That was not supposed to happen. I tried to hit the e-brake while I was filming, and I just put it into second. So the GoPro version of this video has been canceled. My screen won't turn on. Everything else seems okay, but the thing's not turning on. Changed the battery. I tried filming with just my camera, but I need a hand to hold my camera, so I was only going like 2 miles an hour. It just looks stupid. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys next time. Back in here.